Hello friends, welcome to Real GPL once again and thank you very much for being our valued customer. Today I am going to talk about adventure tour theme. So if you are looking for a tour and travel theme, then this theme is for you, okay? So we'll talk about how to install this and we'll also talk about how to import demo for this and what are the other restrictions, okay? So this is the theme I'm talking about, adventure tours. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do, like you have to buy and then you have to download, which I already have done. I can show you here. So in your case, you need to download, then you need to extract it using WinZip or WinRAR. Once you unzip it, you will get these folders in which you can get like parent theme, child theme, and the sample data, and one folder called documentation. Inside that, if you can open, you will get the documentation for this theme, okay? For example, if you follow install and setup theme here, you will see the instructions provided for installing the theme, plugins, and obviously then importing the data, which is the primary focus of this tutorial. So let me go to my WordPress, okay, and then go to appearance, then go to themes, click on add new, then install the parent theme first. I'm going to my respective folder. Then I will choose the parent theme, click on open, click on install now. So the parent theme is installed. Let me click on themes again, go to add new, click on upload, click on choose file, select this time the child one, click on open and then install the child theme. Once the child theme is installed, just click on activate to activate it, okay? So I'm clicking on activate now. So now we have installed child and parent theme both. It's time to install plugins now. So I'm clicking on begin installing plugins. Select each and everything, then click on install from the bulk action, click on apply. And while the plugins are getting installed, let me show you something very important, and that is if you have not joined our membership plans, you must join that, because after joining that, you will be having access to all our items, and that too, like starting cost of $7. So for example, if you join a starter plan, you can download 10 items per day, and it means in a month you can download up to 300 items, and this is valid for a month. Similarly, Super Saver is valid for 6 months, VIP is valid for 1 year, and then lifetime plan is for lifetime. Other than that, you can also look out our lifetime deals, in which we are offering a lot of original licenses, and that too in a very small cost. I have given the link of this in the description. You must check it out, okay? Now let's go back to our plugin installation. All the plugins are installed. Let me click on dashboard once, and then if you follow the documentation, you can see like to install demo data, what we have to do. Let me just zoom it for you. We have to go to tools, then add adventure tours import, and then we have to import each and everything, okay? So I'm going there. So let me go to tools, then adventure tours import, okay, and then select each and everything like post, pages, tours and products, FAQs, configurative WooCommerce, theme options, theme widgets, okay? And you can also choose the same current user, okay? You don't have to create the new user here. That is done. Once done, just click on start, and within a moment it will import each and everything for you. Okay, you can see like success, we are getting all green icons here. So once all the things are imported, let me go and show you the home page. And one thing is very important here, you can't import images, okay? If I click on home, you will get the same design, but make sure that you will not get the images here, okay? Every image is just a sample image, and they have also mentioned this, like images can't be imported, okay? See, they are saying that please note that images and widgets cannot be imported, okay? So you have to use your own images, you have to create your own widgets. And other than that, if you want to like set up menu, home, blocks and revolution slider, then those things can be done following this index file, following this documentation file. And if you go to the folder where we have extracted the theme, then you can see like we have sample data, and inside that we are having many things that can be used later on, like slider evolution templates and all those you can import manually. So I think you got the clear idea, like if you have to import demo for an adventure tours theme, then how this can be done and how to install this theme and what are the restrictions. So I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, enjoy your day and make sure to grab a lifetime license and make sure to join our membership plan. Thank you very much. Have a good day.